Ну, вы спортивные, вам подошли.
Ой, как я счастлив.
Good morning. Today we have had a jump start. We were running late to our boat, which has brought us to the next village, and today we are walking the Great Baikal Trail. Luckily I have no backpack with me. We just have two other small backpacks to carry the lunch stuff. And now we are walking a beautiful trail, 24 kilometers, and at the evening we should arrive back at the hotel. So let's see. Wow, these are the views I was looking for. So we are midway on the trail for today, and now I'm looking for a place to have lunch, and I think I found one right down there. So I was very wrong. I haven't seen our place for lunch because it's right here, and it's 5 kilometers from the other place that I might have seen away. So let's have lunch. So we made it back to the civilization. The hike was 25 kilometers and we had a 5-kilometer transition from the road, from the end of the hike to the hotel. These are the last few meters we are walking right now, and we have a beautiful sunset. It's right there. And now we are going back to the hotel, and so everything is good, and we are looking what happens tomorrow.